friends, welcome back to ABS Tech channel. Hope you are fine now. In this video I am going to show you the live price prediction of last 1 hour of Theta network. So before starting this video, kindly subscribe my channel for more latest news and updates about cryptocurrencies. As you can see here, that is the live price prediction of Theta network last 1 hour you are watching now. Oh my god, it's a very bad news for all Theta network holder. As you can see here, the change is for negative 1.32%. The change of Theta network and cryptocurrencies market. In the high price of Theta network is $12.95 is the high price of Theta network and crypto market. As you can see here, as we can see the chart of the Theta network price prediction, so it's clearly falling down. As you can see here, it's falling down, so it's the best time to sell it and be safe from loss. As you can see here, be safe from loss, sell it. I said sell it. My suggestion is to sell it and be safe from losses. You can see here, that is the live price prediction of last 1 hour you are watching now. And the currently price of Theta network is $12.73. And the Bitcoin price of the Theta network is 0.000238 Bitcoin price of Theta network in cryptocurrencies market. So it's falling, so it's the best time to sell it and be safe from loss. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more latest news and updates about cryptocurrencies market.